car polishing compounds remove scratches, oxidation, and swirl marks, restoring paint clarity, shine, and smoothness while preparing surfaces for protection. Today's video is about top 5 best car polishing compounds that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Meguiar's Ultimate Compound Remover. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is an excellent solution for car owners looking to restore their vehicle's paint without expensive detailing services. Designed to remove scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, and water spots, this compound quickly brings back clarity and depth to dull or damaged paint surfaces. What sets it apart is Meguiar's advanced microabrasive technology, which cuts through imperfections efficiently while maintaining a smooth, haze-free finish. Unlike many aggressive compounds, it is safe for clear coats and all glossy paint finishes, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced detailers. Whether applied by hand or with a dual-action polisher, the product works fast and delivers noticeable results with minimal effort. It effectively restores color and shine, leaving the paint looking refreshed and closer to a showroom-quality finish. Now our second product is Chemical Guy's Clay Bar Kit. The Chemical Guy's Complete Clay System, CLY 700, is a convenient all-in-one detailing kit designed to restore smoothness and shine to your vehicle's paint. It includes everything needed for the claying process, including a clay bar, clay lubricant, applicator, microfiber towel, and essential accessories, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced detailers. This kit effectively removes embedded contaminants such as overspray, brake dust, rail dust, and industrial fallout that regular washing cannot eliminate. The included clay lubricant allows the clay bar to glide smoothly across the surface, reducing the risk of marring while maximizing cleaning performance. One of its biggest advantages is its versatility. It is safe for use on clear coats, paint protection films, chrome, glass, plastic, and various vehicle types including cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. As a paint preparation step, it creates a clean, smooth surface that helps waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings bond better and last longer. Our third product is Turo Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Car Polish. This all-in-one paint correction formula is an impressive solution for anyone looking to restore and protect their vehicle with minimal effort. By combining polish, wax, and ceramic protection into a single product, it eliminates the need for multiple detailing steps, saving both time and money. The formula effectively removes light scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation, helping to restore smoothness and clarity to faded paint. After application, the surface appears noticeably glossier, with enhanced color depth and a sleek, showroom-quality finish. The inclusion of premium Carnauba wax polymers adds a rich, mirror-like shine that makes the paint stand out. What truly sets this product apart is its ceramic-infused protection. It creates a durable hydrophobic barrier that promotes excellent water beading while helping repel dirt, grime, and environmental contaminants for months. Another advantage is its versatility. Whether applied by hand or with a machine polisher, it delivers consistent results and is suitable for both beginners and experienced detailers. Now number 4, Mother's California Gold 3 Clay Bar Complete Kit. The California Gold Complete Clay Bar System is an excellent paint decontamination kit that helps restore a smooth, clean, and polished vehicle finish. Designed to remove stubborn surface contaminants, it effectively lifts paint overspray, industrial fallout, brake dust, tree sap, acid rain residue, and other bonded debris that regular washing cannot remove. This complete kit includes 3 80-gram clay bars, a 16 ounces instant detailer lubricant, and a microfiber towel, providing everything needed for a thorough detailing session. The clay bars glide smoothly with the included lubricant, making the process easy and safe for both beginners and experienced detailers. One of the biggest benefits of this system is how it restores slickness and clarity to paint, chrome, glass, and smooth plastic surfaces. By removing contaminants, it creates an ideal foundation for waxes and sealants, improving their bonding, durability, and overall shine. Using trusted California Gold clay technology, this kit delivers professional quality results at home while helping prevent long-term paint damage. And our last choice is New Finish Once a Year Polish and Sealant. New Finish Once a Year Polish and Sealant is a convenient and effective paint protection product designed for car owners who want lasting results with minimal effort. Using advanced ceramic technology, it repairs, seals, and protects vehicle paint while delivering a glossy, wet look finish that lasts far longer than traditional waxes. The formula helps reduce the appearance of fine scratches, swirl marks, and scuffs while restoring shine to both paint and chrome surfaces. Its ceramic-based protection creates a durable barrier against environmental contaminants and helps prevent future surface imperfections. The impressive water-beading effect also makes routine washing and maintenance easier. One of the standout features is its ease of use. Unlike many conventional wax products, New Finish requires no rubbing or buffing and can even be applied in direct sunlight, making the application process quick and hassle-free. With protection designed to last up to a year from a single application, this product offers excellent value for busy vehicle owners. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.